You might recall during the COVID-19 pandemic that a perfect storm of events, the labor shortage, inflation, nearly shut down many of Kentucky's child care centers. Federal stimulus money saved the day temporarily, but that money is going to run out this year.
Stress is everywhere, but the day-to-day stress comes really, truly, I would say, with staffing.
Like many child care operators, Jennifer Washburn will have three choices when the federal stimulus runs out: charge more, cut staff or their pay, or close.
Keeping the beautiful people that we have and growing them, and then keeping our families as well, are two things that I think about every millisecond.
She was among those who came out Tuesday to support the Horizons Act, filed by Republican Senator Danny Carroll.
This transformational piece of legislation and the accompanying $150 million per year appropriation request will go a long way towards averting the impending crisis we are about to face if we don't act with purpose and certainty.
In addition to providing funding to replace the federal subsidies, the bill includes a new early childhood education degree at Kentucky's community colleges, a new Innovations in Early Childhood Education grant fund, and an early childhood education provider startup fund. Supporters of the bill include the Kentucky Chamber of Commerce.
When we talk about this legislation, we talk about it as a bill related to early childhood education, and it very much is that. But I want to emphasize that this bill is also about workforce participation and economic development.
The biggest question is whether that $300 million figure will survive. The House passed their budget and they appropriated $82 million over 2 years. Right now, the budget is in the Senate's hands. In Frankfort, Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.